Continuous zero of Python for beginner. Today I will show you how to write a clause if else clause if else clause statement. First on we log into we will create a folder to include my code. Yes, we use Jupyter to execute the code. First, in the side, in the right hand, we click new to write a new notebook. I set if else statement. Now we can begin. A equal to a equal to 4, b equal to 6. Now we'll print we'll print a less than b. But now I will print a greater than b. No problem. You can print anything you want. Now I will do with the if else statement. If a if a greater than if a greater than b column, we will print a greater than b. We have for space, for by below if scroll. After print a greater than b, this will print a e not greater than b, because after if if flow equal, will print the statement statement below if flow, and after that will print other statement out of if flow. We will move on another example. C equal to 5 and D equal to 3. If C greater than B and D, we will print C greater than D. C bigger than D. That's no problem. It's up to you. L. If C is not greater than D, we will print C is not bigger than D. C can be equal to D, or C can be less than D. It belongs to the C value and D value. C variable, D variable. We have another example. A equal to 200 and F equal to 210. If A greater than D, oh, greater than D, it will get the variable D above. Yes, absolutely. A greater greater than D than F. Oh, not right. Maybe something wrong here. Okay, let me write everything. After that, I will repeat. I will repeat this error. And that's my equal. Remember, we will a plus. We equal double equal double equal double equal d. And we less than d. Okay, let me check. Let me check again. Okay, let me check. A greater than f. Greater than f. Greater than df. Maybe a equal f. A definitely equal to f. It's not the same. Okay. 210 equal 210 is definitely equal to f. You can use cut cell feature, in the left hand, cut add more cell. Now we have a different example. C equal to 10, S equal to 20. If I equal C, print SE equals to C. If C greater than S, you can see greater than S, greater or equal than S at 10. This symbol you can relay the symbol by yourself. That's it one to show you how to if flow activity. Then let's see, let that ice. Your friend greater than ice. Wait 3 minutes. I will move up. up. She is bigger than us. Now red is less than us because she is 10 and us is 20. So she less than us. Now we increase she to 40 and us to 40. Run as equal to G. Now G is bigger than S. G 40 S 30. So we have result G bigger than S. You can add more cell or cut more cell by left your hand in the left side. Now I will restart and clear output the result. Now we will try to print this string. Of course, it will be in string, but I will want to print a variable variable name G is not defined because I restart and clear output, so it didn't get the value of G. Okay, so we run everything. G now equal 40 equal 40. Now we move to a different symbol. Is the last symbol of this video. We try to calculate BMI to know what you overweight or not overweight or not. December name we DN high in math 2.3 weight in kilogram 100 kilogram. BMI equal to weight in kilogram divide height in math star height in math. Print BMI. We will have result of BMI. If BMI less than 25, we are not overweight. If not, we are overweight. Let me show. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and share video. If you have any trouble about this right code, program code, please give comment. If BMI less than 25, green, you are not overweight. L, you are overweight. That's just simple. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much. Uh, I will change the value of high math. Something I just high 1.3 mentor. So I will run. Oh, I overweight. Thank you.